Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, remove the 2 screws on each side of the base cover. Loosen the 3 screws at the back of the cover and the 1 screw at the front to lift the cover off the system. Find and disconnect the battery cable. Identify the memory module and unlatch it. Grasp the module by the edges to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Plug in the battery cable. Secure the base cover with the 8 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.